Hi. So this is a video that introduces the concept of the Sustainable Food Systems Platform for Natural Farming, or SuSPNF as we call it in Himachal Pradesh. It has a 5-year history now of food systems transformation, and this is the primary architecture of how this all got kick-started to achieve a sovereign level food systems transformation in Himachal Pradesh in India. As of now, over 230,000 farmers are part of the system, and it is connected to the markets. There is public procurement, there is a large-scale transformation of production systems based on agroecology. And this high-level architecture or framework architecture provided the base for which this transformation has achieved the state till today.
The core concept centers on developing a sustainable food system for PK3Y, emphasizing gradual and natural growth, as captured by St. Kabir's couplet, "Slowly, slowly, oh my mind, slowly all will grow. Gardener pours 100 pots, fruit only season show."
SuSPNF integrates the production base, supply value chain, and market linkage. It ensures transparency and traceability throughout the system. The platform aligns with PK3, BPKP, and the Sustainable Development Goals, leveraging big data analytics.
The big picture shows how the Sustainable Food System platform connects the production base to consumers and entrepreneurs. It uses IT, e-commerce, IoT, and business intelligence, while monitoring SDGs and facilitating FPOs and organized markets.
The strategy for SuSPNF involves organizing farmers and markets, creating necessary linkages, and leveraging technology. This technology supports participation, certification, and monitoring and evaluation.
The proposed organizational structure involves farmer interest groups, or FIGs, feeding into FPOs. These connect to a state association of FPOs. This structure supports both backward and forward linkages with a dedicated marketing entity.
The FPO institutional framework is crucial, especially considering the goal of establishing 10,000 farmer-producer companies in India. This framework shows the flow of funding and technical support from various agencies to the FPOs.
FPC challenges, known as the 4 Cs, are capital, capability, compliance, and coordination. Himachal Pradesh currently has only 22 FPOs. However, opportunities exist due to a large farmer base and government initiatives like the 10,000 FPC target and the Agriculture Infra Fund, AIF.
The marketing entity is designed to be the brand owner, managing online platforms and technology. Its ownership is vested in the State Association of FPOs, serving as a vital link between producers and consumers. The localized SuSPNF prototype involves identifying peri-urban production locations and seasonal surplus crops in 2 districts. The system includes production, supply chain, and marketing components, with continuous measurement and evaluation over 1 year.
The final food system prototype aims for a 365-day self-sufficient market system across Himachal Pradesh's 4 agroclimatic zones. The procurement principles prioritize self-sufficiency and providing a complete food basket to consumer households.
The short to medium-term strategy for SuSPNF involves a 5-step rollout led by the State Project Implementation Unit. This includes market creation, innovative evaluation, urban peri-urban linkage, scaling up, and establishing a statewide federated FPO network.
The SuSPNF Certified Evaluation Protocol and Market Linkage Mechanism provide a multi-tier certification system. This links PK3 with PGS India and NPOP for various market access levels.
The mechanism's first principles emphasize simplicity, natural farming methods without agrochemicals or GMOs, scalability, and robust transparency and traceability between farmers and consumers.
The Certified Evaluation Pathway for SPNF PK3 facilitates access to state, national, and international markets. It includes the State Domestic Production Certified Evaluation Protocol and harmonizes with existing certification systems without offering a premium.
The State Domestic Production Certified Evaluation Protocol, or SDPECP, classifies farmer production status into 3 levels: Vishisht PK3, Sadharan PK3, and Antral PK3. This system features a transparent, web-based rating for consumers and defines labeling criteria for different sales channels.
The certified evaluation methodology relies on voluntary farmer data entry and participatory peer endorsements. This is then checked for veracity by the extension system. The system then evaluates the ranking and produces a star rating. Random sampling audits and public information ensure transparency and accountability. Eventually, this is a public domain system, which also involves consumer into the feedback process.
Future possibilities focus on nutritional diversity, exploring value chains for nutri-cereals, millets, pseudo-cereals, nutritional weeds, and indigenous rice and wild forage varieties. This expands the scope beyond conventional crops.
We must rediscover the culture of agriculture. This includes valuing the wild edible fruits and traditional food grains of Himachal Pradesh, a recommendation also supported by the Himachal Pradesh State Center on Climate Change.
Captive markets offer high assurance through schemes like MDMS, ICDS, and PDS, and initiatives like Pahadi Rasoi. Medium assurance is provided through captive retail outlets, while low assurance includes value-added produce sold through regular retail.
It is crucial to move beyond an only Apple state mindset due to increasing competition, future surpluses, low research and breeding, and rising input costs associated with high-density plantations.
This framework impacts livelihood through jobs, innovation, new opportunities, and grassroots institution building, with sustainability as the key focus in a post-COVID environment. The initiative aims to mitigate the economic impact seen during the COVID-19 pandemic and contribute positively to the state GDP of Himachal Pradesh.
It is possible to converge national schemes and programs with the SuSPNF platform to maximize efficiency and resource utilization. Opportunities for convergence exist across multiple central ministries. This includes the Department of Agriculture, Ministry of MSME, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and Ministry of Rural Development.
The SuSPNF platform maps to several sustainable development goals: 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 12, and 15. The initiative supports Himachal's Drishti Himachal 2030 strategy for achieving these goals.
Enabling Sustainable Food Systems, an Innovator's Handbook, is an excellent source to draw on international best practices. This handbook from FAO and INRAE provides a 360-degree view, assisting Himachal Pradesh in innovation while ensuring food and nutritional security. Key Indian legislations of interest include FAPAS for price assurance and farm services, and FPTC for promoting trade and commerce outside APMC trade areas, which protects farmers and enables competitive channels.
Major challenges from new legislations, such as unregulated trade areas and loss of price discovery, can be mitigated. SuSPNF offers solutions through self-regulation, transparent pricing, and creating new market channels.
Policy analysis, formulation, measurement, evaluation, and evolution should be evidence-driven, inclusive, and collaborative. Decisions must integrate the perspectives of farmers, communities, markets, knowledge, budget, and vision.
This slide showcases an example of monitoring and evaluation by mapping sustainable development goals with agroecology principles.
India has several successful models, including ALC, Kudumbashree, Sahyadri FPO, and the Odisha Millet Mission, demonstrating effective grassroots institution building and market development.
Thank you for watching this video on the Sustainable Food Systems platform for natural farming. The video concludes with a thought from Sant Kabir, emphasizing the virtue of working for the welfare of others.